Hello, my name is Brehon Mills, and I would like to welcome you guys back to the channel, where not only do we love talking about finances, whether it's stocks or crypto, we love talking about great books, and we love talking about personal development. Listen, family, I'm back just to do a video on BTT. Now, currently, I am holding 2.5 million BTT tokens, and I am looking and expecting things to start turning around in June. Because remember, they always say go away in May. So hopefully, the money, the momentum will all start coming back in June, and we can get back to those strong upward trends that we were having a couple of months ago. Now, here is the Twitter page on a BTT, and as you can see, we have over we have just over with just under 483,000 followers. Hopefully, if you're on Twitter, shout them out, shout them out, share their page every once in a while, and tell people to get on this train. All right, tell people to get on the BTT train. And I saw something interesting because, I think a couple of weeks ago I was doing a video on BTT, and I talked about Robinhood, right? I talked about Robinhood, and man, that's where we need to be. All these millennials and the money, that's where it is. All these kids are buying Doge and all this other stuff on Robinhood because it's easy and for ease of use. And so I would love it, man. I would love it if we could somehow get BTT, which is an older, stable, solid project. If we can get that on Robinhood, man, we're off to the races. And it talked about here's what would happen if if BitTorrent got added to Robinhood app, and it talked about it, BitTorrent being over $290 a share now. I don't know if it'll get that high, but man, all I'm asking for is, you know, to get to a dime, right? So I'm holding 2.5 million shares. That'll be 250,000. We get to 50 cent. Looking at over a million. Then, if we do get to $1, that's 2.5 million. And so, as of right now, man, I'm only hoping for a dime, right? Let's reach a dime first, then we can start moving on to bigger and better positions or bigger and better expectations for BitTorrent. All right, but as of right now, we need people sharing the wealth, sharing the knowledge, sharing this great, fascinating company, which is BTT. And so we can help position ourselves for greater success in the future when it comes to monetary gain from the BTT token. All right, and our BTT positions. All right, now let's take a look at the chart. All right, and so as we can see here, last week, the last time I did a chart, I talked about BTT's position, and I talked about us having a support all right, so I talked about us having support around the 3.435 mark, and once we are able to have some established support there, hopefully we could springboard off of that support and move to new highs. So hopefully we could stabilize around 0040, right? Let's get stabilized around there because we've been bouncing between 3.5, 3.7, but let's get to 004. All right, 004. All right, let's stay there. Hopefully we can stabilize between 0040 and 0045, man, and then we can continue to just keep taking small steps up. All right, so we took nice small steps down here. Let's take some small steps up. It's time for this thing to reverse in pattern. So this is the daily chart. Let me go. When we pull up the hourly chart, man, the hourly chart is just beautiful, right? And so, but we don't need, another reversal in pattern, because I think the last video I did, we had beautiful upward trend here, then we had a pullback. All right, so now we got a nice upward trend going, but again, occasional pullbacks are healthy. All right, but we want bigger moves up, right? We want bigger moves to the upside. We want to get back to that 4-5, then eventually to 5-0. We need to get back to where we deserve to be. All right. So again, a lot of money, a lot of liquidity left the cryptocurrency space in May. A lot of currency and money left the stock sectors in May. But like they always say, hey, we go away in May and we come back in June and July. And so I'm expecting great things in the crypto sector June and July as money begins to flow back in. And I'm expecting great things from BitTorrent. And I'm expecting, a lot of smiles on the faces out there of all of the BTT holders. Okay. Now, that's all that I have today. I wanted to be short and sweet. Now, if this video added some value to you, hey, please leave a like. Hey, hit the subscribe button and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.